Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial I will show you how you can reset handwriting style on iPhone. If you have previously added some handwritings on your iPhone, so you want to reset that. So let me show you how you can do it. Open up your settings of your iPhone and then scroll up and you will see over here generals. Click on that and then scroll all the way up to the bottom and you will see over here the second last option called transfer and reset. Click on that and then again click on reset on the second option. Click on that and then you will see over here the fourth option called reset handwriting style. But in case you are using lower model or you are using iPhone 6, 7, 8, you will never find this option over here. But in case you are using upper model like X or 11 or 12 like that, you will get this option over here. So simply click on that and then reset your handwriting style on iPhone. It's super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.